in the beautiful color that it is consistent. So, in this particular chapter, we are not going to the human eye and structure of it, but we can see simply that human eye work as a camera. There is a lens which is made up of biological materials. There are certain diseases in eye because due to the age or somehow absence of certain material, it leads to eye disease like myopia, presbyopia or hypermetropia. Again, this all part is cancelled from our current syllabus. So we will start with the refraction of light through prism. Refraction, that is bending of light, and bending of light through prism. So there is an activity which is given to you. Prism is a thing which is having three lateral surfaces of rectangular shape and top and bottom surface which is of triangular shape. Okay, so this is a prism. We have put this prism in such a way that its triangular part is on the top. So if we incident any ray on this particular prism, and what we can do, we can place two paper pins on top of it. Okay, and then from this particular side, if we try to see this particular ray or this particular two pins, then we can place another two pins parallel to these two pins in this particular direction, and if we connect these two dots along with this prism side, then we will have something like this. If we connect these two, we can easily see it, and if we go perpendicular to this surface. Okay, if we are, this is perpendicular to this one is also. This is called normal to the thing. So we have drawn normal to the thing. And if we see, so here from light medium that is from air to, it is traveling to the glass which is a denser than air. So when light travels from lighter medium to denser medium, it has a tendency to move towards the normal. So it will move towards the normal, and we will see light to be making certain less angle than this one with another side of normal. And as light goes from this refracted light travels from denser medium to lighter medium, it has tendency to move away from normal. This particular ray is called emergent ray. The center one is called refracted ray, and this ray is called incident ray. And the angle which is made by incident and refracted ray, this particular angle is called angle of deviation. That means how much the light ray has deviated from its original path. So this is refraction of light through prism. Next topic is dispersal of white light by a glass prism. In this particular situation, we will have a prism, okay, and we will cover one side of prism. It should be a rectangular side. So we will cut this rectangular shells. We will put a cardboard made up of black colored, okay, black colored cardboard on the top of it over here, and we will make a tiny hole in it, and we will let light enter into this particular area. So when light enters into this area, you will see on here.